Hello there, viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Mr. Loyale's Garage. As you can see, I'm sporting the coronavirus beard, having been locked up for at least 3 months here, I'd say. So I said, screw it, I'm not going to bother shaving. I may when this is over. If you like the look, let me know in the comments below. If you prefer me shaved, let me know that as well. So, in this episode, I've got a clutch cable replacement. I thought it was going to be a real simple thing to do. There are some caveats I can give to you on this. So, without ado, let's go ahead and let's get to it. This is what the end looks like when the clutch cable breaks. This snapped on me when I was in the middle of a shift from second gear to third gear on a rural highway. You can see here that the top part that mounts to the clutch fork is not there. I couldn't even find it, so I went ahead and ordered a new cable. So let's go ahead and go into the procedure. The first step is to remove the clip holding the cable jacket onto the bracket. Now, if I'd had the front part that hooks onto the fork, there'd be two nuts. I'd undo the front nut and the one behind it, and it's a locking combination. And then that would allow it to lift out of the clutch fork. Next, carefully snake the entire part of the cable that's in the engine compartment into the interior cabin space. Be very careful here not to damage any of the wiring harnesses that are near the clutch cable. Looking straight up into the footwell, we can see the clutch pedal assembly. There's the clutch pedal itself. There are two bolts that hold on the clutch jacket brace, and then there's one bolt at top that holds the clutch pedal on the main shaft. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding the cable jacket brace. Next, remove the clutch assembly shaft nut. This is a 12mm nut. Slide the entire assembly off the shaft, and this is what we'll see. Here we see the entire clutch pedal, the linkage, and the cable jacket bracket. Gently tap on the linkage pin until it completely releases from the push nut. Don't lose the push nut. We're going to need that to attach the new cable. Secure the new cable linkage to the clutch pedal using the pin and the push nut. Apply some grease to the exposed cable portion and work it back and forth until it is smoothly traveling. Each side of the clutch pedal sleeve contains a plastic bushing. Make sure that you do not lose these bushings or you'll have lots of play, lateral play in your clutch assembly. From within the car, feed the cable through the hole in the footwell into the engine bay until only 6 inches of the cable and the assembly remain inside the vehicle. Slide the clutch pedal assembly onto the shaft and make sure you don't lose the white plastic bushings. You can secure the pedal to the brake using a rope or a rubber band. Slide the retainer bracket over the shaft and secure with the 12mm nut. Secure the cable brace to the assembly using the two 10mm bolts. Inside the engine compartment, secure the jacket anchor point to the brace using the tension clip. Place the front part of the cable into the clutch fork as shown. Adjust the inner nut until the tension is correct on the clutch pedal. Once the setting is correct, secure it with the outer nut. Make sure to apply a little bit of grease to the exposed white portion of the cable and work it back and forth until you get smooth play. Pull the coiled rubber jacket down to the cable sleeve and slide it over the groove. That's all there is. Be sure to hit subscribe so you'll be notified of our next video. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.